The administration's senatorial candidates under the Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas coalition took their campaign to another level earlier today, staging a grand rally in Cavite, one of the country's vote-rich provinces. This marks their 10th stop in a nationwide push for the 2025 midterm elections. Rallying support for the coalition slate, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. once again led the event and laid out his take on pressing national issues, including growing concerns over fake news. PTV's Melanes Moras has the report.
In front of thousands of residents in Cavite, the province which holds the record for most number of voters in the country, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. personally campaigned for the administration's senatorial bets under the ticket Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas. According to the chief executive, their lineup is composed of the most experienced, most responsible, and most patriotic candidates. That's why the Filipino people should vote for them.
Kapag nanalo na itong ating buong ticket, ay napakapalad ko po dahil isang Pangulo ay meron siyang mga kasamahan na kasing galing, kasing husay, kasing sipag, kasing bait at nagmamahal sa taong bayan na kagaya na itong grupong ito. Kaya po ipinagmamalaki po namin.
In a press conference earlier, the admin bets shared their views on vital issues nowadays, like the proliferation of fake news and disinformation online. For House Deputy Majority Leader Erwin Tulfo and former Senate President Tito Soto, having stricter measures and a new law to regulate social media platforms must be enforced.
Anti-fake news law dapat and anti-fake content. Hindi lang fake news, kundi pati fake content.
We have to have a law, otherwise you, me, all of us magiging biktima po ng fake news and fake content. At sang-ayon po ako at dapat isang malala at mabigat na parusa yung mga nagpapakalat, pati mga nagpapakalat ng mga fake news at fake content. Kailangan ho tayo may batas din doon na pati yung nagsishare na yan, sasabit din.
Meanwhile, for Makati City Mayor Abby Binay, there should also be one thing added to this.
It's not just the legislation, but it's also the enforcement. So siguro kailangan natin pagtibayin yung kapulisan on how will they trace these fake content makers.
According to Alianza campaign manager Toby Chanco, in the days to come, they will go to more cities and provinces to share their candidate stands and platforms, which are all for the nation.
Alam naman natin na may 3 years pa si President Bongbong Marcos. No? At katulad na ng ginawa niya dito, pinuntahan niya yung mga proyekto niyang napakahalaga, yung CALAX. No? And alam naman natin, hindi naman dyan nagtatapos yung mga proyekto. So marami pang proyekto in the pipeline. So para matuloy itong mga napakagandang proyekto ito, napakahalaga na supported by yung legislative agenda niya ay masuportahan ng mga kasama nating senador.